Yes, now welcome to another RNG of another package. Well, don't carry come for inside Euroball Yarns from Football Republic. Welcome once again wherever you watch us from or wherever you listen to us from. And we don't enter the matter for inside this waka for Euroballs. This one are Euroball Yarns, like I talked before. And remember, say yes, I get my goons inside the studio. I get Jovita. Where they here too, and also Buchi on Kala. Yes, two of them follow the inside studio. And Moku start from the beginning of our waka and our talk today. And Secretary Joe, make I start with you. Chelsea, the bids where people they want buy Chelsea from Roman Abramovich. We don't see from what we hear say about 4 people don't already submit their bid. They don't already approve and say, okay, maybe they move on to the next stage. Make I just quickly talk about the people them. I think they say the Ricketts family. Now them be the owners of Chicago Cub for inside the US. That is, I think, baseball. Yeah. Also, they get LA Dodgers part owner, where we thought Boyle and the former Liverpool chairman Sir Martin Broughton. And also, we have Nick Candy. They say that one Arsenal, sorry, not Chelsea fan. He said follow the inside the matter. And also, the man who follow the Atalanta, Steven Pagliuca. These 4 bids basically are the ones who will know. But the truth of the matter is, say, I don't see news of 2.5. I don't see 2.2 billion. I don't see the highest one. I don't see that 2.7. Where Saudi media group where they not allow them. I don't know. They don't follow them. But the truth of the matter is, say, this team we won't buy Chelsea or whoever go buy Chelsea. Should I go spend money like Roman Abramovich? Because you look at Abramovich and the way we take spend for the last 19 years. In they spend based on say, they find returns. For man to even talk, say,
but it's still they get returns.
They get returns. No,
but
they make profits.
The club, they with all the trophies, everything when they win,
when you say returns, I mean you put money, you get money back. Yeah. Now what's what I mean? They get those returns because the 1.5 billion where we say even talk say Ingo forget. Now part of the team why they talk. And question why they ask now, the right owner for Chelsea right about now, who you think say they're supposed win them?
If to say no be the pressure way
based on the wealth of all these owners too.
If no be the pressure way Abramovich there, I'm not sure say go even think to sell Chelsea for now.
Yeah.
Even if we go sell later on, but not for now. But the way things take there now, people don't come out. But then I feel say a lot of Chelsea fans they fear because this man come. We see how he take turn around the club. We see money where he pump inside the club. We see how players, they take one play for them. They play for the club because of the way we say then receive them inside the club side. And now these people don't come. Like that Ricketts family, for instance, now. People talk, say, make them not allow them bid or even win the bid. If it was like they don't sit down with Chelsea trust people, the fans, sit down, talk. And even after the meeting, they still talk, say, no. They don't want to make this family follow inside people who go bid for Chelsea. Not because say they don't get money, but because of some issues where don't happen in the past when it concern race, when it concern religion. And then feels because if you check that Chelsea team, now very diverse team. You go see Muslim, you go see people from Africa, you go see people from Europe, you go see some Africans who say they play for European countries. So for that kind man, family to come out, make some kind statement, and you won't make this man bid for the club. Now, dear fear day. How many of them get the best interest of this club side at heart? This man do a passion. He love the team. Now make and they do what they do for the team. How many of them feed drum? We see what happen with Arsenal. Now profit in the fine. 1 year end, everybody counts my money, give me. You know concern and the club they go down, you know win anything, no concern, and you know they bothered. And these Americans, now the same thing. All of them are profit-oriented people. Now their mind there. They don't care what happened to the club. We see how Liverpool self on take there. Although in recent years now, come like those ones don't soft, pedal small, spend money, bring in some players like Alisson, Mo Salah, bring in Virgil van Dijk, and after that time, maybe this boy will come from Luis Diaz, will just come in now. How many of these people you won't make them bid for club? They don't want to make some people bid. Like this Saudi group now, when they talk, they say their bid no reject. Now lie. After the takeover of Newcastle, they don't talk saying that dirty money. Now Saudi people carry come. So they don't want to make foreigners continue to get hand inside what they happen for inside England, especially with the top clubs. Okay. Yes, when they say foreigners, I know say they go say, but this was Americans. But they know what thing that they do.
No wala. We go hope. We go still see how and who go finally win the bid. We hear say they don't shortlist these 4 people.
They say till April.
The Rain Bank, the New York Bank, Rain Group, or Rain Bank, and them they in charge of the bidding. But Buchi, question again. What I go ask now? Say for Chelsea, Roman Abramovich they look for £3 billion. The highest we don't see any English club we then sell now. Manchester United £760 million. And if Chelsea bid, whoever win Chelsea this bid, buy Chelsea for anything more than 2.5 billion. That one go create a record for any sports franchise, any sports business. Shey Chelsea worth 2.5 billion.
Yes, pounds. I think the highest sports venture, I think now Brooklyn Nets.
Yeah.
With this guy, this Russian guy. No, that's one guy I get him before. One guy I buy him for big money. See what I would like him or not?
I think that was $3 million.
One like him or
less
not?
Than 2.5
Look at Chelsea.
Billion pounds.
Chelsea now club for everybody.
Yeah.
I think Roman Abramovich changed this.
But the reason why they talk, the reason why they ask you this question, say them worth 2.5 billion.
Then what time in every way?
Now because say first off, they talk say Chelsea need new ground because this Stamford Bridge
they plan move or expand them.
But we know say this Stamford Bridge they use now they rent them. Okay. Maybe Chelsea get them. Now Chelsea in the last 19 years never really declare profit. Now for a club what we say say you go still build new stadium, you go need to they make profit at least for the next 5, 6, 7 years. Sexy talk about Kroenke where they make profit with us now. Say Chelsea, you will be buyer. You feel say 2.5 billion pounds. What Chelsea?
Definitely. What? Yes, now because Chelsea get level now. No, now Chelsea get level. Yes, you might say they declare their income, but look at the club, the standard of the club, where the club don't go.
If Man U,
everywhere.
If Man U, if you buy Man U for 760 million,
when they buy Man U, but ask me, no so
2003,
no so today. Like the difference is wide. Same thing with players.
Man U get glory that time past Chelsea.
Chelsea get to catch their Champions League currently winners. The best club in Europe, best club in the world, best club in the world. Get world class players. You go shock you in 3 years time. They go feed by clause 6 billion. We move with time, and these guys have the money. Whether would I come or not, that investment. Chelsea is an investment. Owner definitely will collect money for the club, but as you they collect, that's what they pull too. But at the end of the day, you collect more because it's your investment. Chelsea worth everything. Roman Abramovich changed this movement of ownership. Not just owner in B, he's a fan.
Yeah. There's a huge difference
Roman,
between him.
They come in everywhere for the world. He brought owners out.
To start to the own football clubs.
Not be say own football club. To relate with fans and players. Roman opening door with the Chelsea players, they come meet him.
That one dish. They
like him. The fans love him. He take Chelsea from one state. Chelsea now just Van Dresser now for Nigeria now.
Now
Van Dresser them they dress now.
Okay, but
Roma carry them right now. They want Chelsea don't win everything. Bro, on the get level.
Well, no verse. Can be that thing where they tell you this man, the club mean more to him. But these guys where they bid, now the pogri then come for.
At the end of the day, I ain't going to choose.
Go choose.
So at the end of
it be like Pekin where be said and talk say you know fit we want to take custody of this Pekin from you. So if they find who he go give the Pekin to, we go take care of the Pekin well and not be selfish about it.
Mostly who go win the bid finally. Last they don't talk say they don't shortlist four candidates. The candidate here. This is that one a Chelsea fan. We see even some Korean companies or Korean partners too want join the candidate too, and they. Todd Bowley too did the Ricketts family serve them follow day. Mostly all this matter go. Hopefully they go sell Chelsea by the end of the season so that they go spend money on top new players where they go need to buy. But moving on from that, so Moku enter Manchester United and Moku start from Paul Pogba during the week just last week before international break starts. He been give interview talk say he get one time maybe in the depression and Buchi question with me I want to ask now say. You win trophies under this man where you talk say you did depressed with under in time now you win your trophy last, but now you come out to talk say that period you did depressed and now you sign new contract with Manchester United. This same Pogba what they talk about for the last 2 seasons we never really see him do the things that we will know saying if he do, especially after winning the World Cup for 2018. Check Pogba they use excuse or truly depression fit worry him that period.
Depression will worry anybody. If you worry anybody. But the thing about this is when you they win, you could shout, you could celebrate. When you lose, you take depression. Like sometimes
They depressed
after they bust my brain.
After nonsense play where you play.
If you they win, they depressed. I go say, oh wow, you're a human being. But you as a footballer, you get two options. It's either you win or you lose. Your head need if you get better money, that money is about to cure depression. So Pogba is a fantastic player, but Pogba too, they live in glory too. Pogba will go see for United play, go see United play, go France play well. When they win World Cup, we'll play nothing United, go France, go win World Cup. Like we see two different personalities. Don't understand saying that the mental faculty, blah blah blah. But same coach, we go start you, also go still bench you. You're in a squad of 23 players, no player, another player go replace you. So fix up. Number one, at the bench, they bench you. They don't kill you. They don't pursue you. So which kind of pressure? You still get money. So what kind of money are you talking about? Say you put on the bench? Player, you where they start. Some other player, they will bench because say they start too. So now about some kind of thing. So I know they play with depression because it's actually a very, very big something. But if it should be categorized for some kind of people. So the one graduate, coaching. So like it should not be every situation you go bring depression. Not every situation. If you tell me say your personal life, because being a footballer, personal life, are two different things. If your personal life, I can understand. So it's not my business, but at least cure your depression. But if not football wise, you never even live in glory. If you they play well, they bench you, I understand. But you they play nonsense.
You play rubbish.
You they play confirm
your team
qualification nonsense. Like last time I play well, that time I still get girlfriend. Now nothing they happen. Okay. So what's wrong with him?
Thank you, Buchi. And Sexy, you're moving on from Pogba. Still for Manchester United. We say don't shortlist coaches them. We're gonna take over from Ralph Rangnick. Possibly with the reason say maybe last now Eric Ten Hag they go higher because we say they don't already intervene and they don't do some kind talking things with him, waiting good fit do with the club and all the rest. But you look at Eric Ten Hag and you look Mauricio Pochettino. You look they are two side by side. Even though we know other coaches than they in the line. With the say Lopetegui says that I am, we say Luis Enrique. But we don't say for Luis Enrique, he go hard because he go one carry Spain, go World Cup. That one sure. Lopetegui, I don't know whether I go feel one come out for Sevilla at this point in time. But the two coaches, I feel say truly, then go follow day inside the running. Now Eric Ten Hag and Mauricio Pochettino. Between these two, Sexy Joe, realistically for Manchester United, taking them forward because now Manchester United never moved forward in the last couple of years. If they won't move forward, who be the coach where you feel say between these two, Pochettino and Eric Ten Hag, who go carry them go front?
If no be say you don't use your hand,
pick two already.
Yeah. I for use my hand, pick my own too.
Yes.
Oh yeah, pick your own too.
Because
no, pick your own too.
No way I go even put Lopetegui or Pochettino. I think it's between Eric Ten Hag and of course Luis Enrique. As far as I get concerned.
The deal,
I get reasons.
The deal, yes. I know say you get reason, but the deal with Luis Enrique, why they get problem with, they say, you not go feel leave Spanish work. Say you want to go to coach club when you get contract with the Spanish team.
Who tell you say no go feel leave? What happened with this man?
After World Cup.
You remember the World Cup?
He can leave.
They sack him.
Yes, she be decide. He got signed contract with Real Madrid. You can leave.
No, they'll keep their money. You resign.
But the truth of the matter, we say right now, Eric is saying he won't go World Cup with Spain.
After World Cup then.
After World Cup.
They get interim. They couldn't win interim.
Pata. They long get this guy. You could Raf
Chukudi. See.
Because for me, I feel say this man, Eric Ten Hag, fantastic job what he don't do with Ajax. Since we say take over there.
Yes.
Person will achieve 100 wins, 128
so what you
games.
got there with now?
Then Luis Enrique too. No, they tell you say I get reasons why I take Comot 2, keep 2.
Okay.
So I don't tell you the reason for this one. Now this Luis Enrique now go Barcelona 9 trophies in how many years?
Are you kidding me?
The same man. But don't forget, the same Luis Enrique, apart before he coach Barcelona, in Roma no do nothing.
Yes.
If they coach Celta Vigo, no do nothing.
It they happen, but in record, sometimes you just need opportunity elsewhere to prove yourself.
Sexy on form.
And
all you do your head.
Today, Chevy.
All you do your head.
So as I take talk, these two candidates fine, but for Pochettino, For a guy who never win anything,
Really?
Never win anything for Tottenham Hotspur.
He don't win cup with the PSG.
No, I mean for Tottenham Hotspur, no win anything for Tottenham Hotspur. Go PSG, manage Colobi waiting, only one. At the end of the day, see now, the whole place don't scatter. PSG don't scatter. Dressing room don't divide. They're so inexperienced to coach a big side. And Man United, believe me, you know fit. You know fit.
Okay, I hear you on
I
here.
feel say I'm gonna get coach past Pochettino.
Really?
Hey. What if that guy with the Plateau United now? What if that name my guy? That's what okay.
Fidelis.
Fidelis,
Coach past Pochettino. Omokachi, what they talk now? Coach past Pochettino.
Even you coach past Pochettino.
No, don't come here. I coach all of them. So
you
coach
coach
Pochettino, all of them. Yes, but I coach Pochettino too. What has this guy done in his life?
But seriously, what you say? What has he done? Oh, okay.
Now PR now. PR.
Best we enter final.
Pochettino could have built
Champions
himself
League.
He enter final also.
He could have built himself up to be one of the best coaches in the world. That PSG job was too big for him.
Pochettino should be coaching average team because an average manager.
I did tell you for now.
Southampton, Tottenham Hotspur, they there for life.
It starts to side like PSG.
Club will coach Liverpool for like 2-3 years, no win anything.
Growth day.
Hope day.
Even when Liverpool they lose,
but at least we saw what he did with Dortmund.
No growth for Tottenham when Pochettino did it.
You can compare Tottenham, where Tottenham did with where Dortmund did when your club did there.
I don't say
I don't understand.
I don't say all day your head, but let me talk.
Wait first. I know, Buchi, I want to try get because I won't get your analysis like. Apart from the jokes,
I know they analyze it, I don't like him.
Yeah. Okay, you know like him.
Yes.
But at least make I know the reason why they talk say Pochettino was a failure at Tottenham Hotspur.
Yes, he started very well, but towards the end he failed.
Failed as like how?
They don't sack him. When they sack you, you failed.
You win anything.
What did he win?
You know, win anything.
Second place, they can't second place for this life.
But he could have built himself up.
From that.
Okay, so because Saka means say he failed, Abi.
He's an overrated manager. That's all.
We can gladly say Arsene Wenger was sacked and
Arsene Wenger was not sacked. He left.
No,
mutual consent.
They told him say he go.
No, they're not telling me anything.
Arsene Wenger won trophy.
Arsene Wenger is a failure.
I can go aggressive.
Where the red card? Where the red card?
And Arsene Wenger.
They
will never be mates. In this life.
Since Arsene Wenger come up for Arsenal, you don't get work.
Please.
He get work with FIFA.
For which
he get work with FIFA. Majority of the rules where they come to check football now through the man Arsene Wenger they come. He get work with FIFA.
He was captain. If Tino call Arsene Wenger, they say, I want you here.
He just retired from coaching. Now he's head of football waiting.
Head of global football development.
Thank you for FIFA.
Do you know that
position.
Head of global football development.
Did they make changes to the rules of the game?
If Wenger no be failure, if I don't get club, that's not my
That's your problem. That's your problem.
Wenger is 60-something. What did they find again? Coaching Arsenal for 20-something years.
Roy Hodgson is over 70.
No, you forgot Sir Alex Ferguson. Make you come out, come coach Man United.
Roy Hodgson senior.
I've never been.
So therefore,
he's still coaching.
Now by choice.
I've never been insulted in my life.
Choice.
Move on to me. I've never been insulted in my life like this.
Since where Real Madrid lose 4-0, Timmy never gets himself.
Pochettino, that failure. Man, no, I don't understand.
I've never been insulted like in my life.
No, now winner.
No,
now winner.
Let's go.
Moving on, we move on to one-on-one for this
one again. So it's go call Arsene Wenger. Go call Arsene Wenger.
I say, is Arsene Wenger get work with FIFA?
Arsene Wenger don't get work with FIFA.
I don't die. So of all places to go get work now FIFA from coaching. Sexy
you don't pay in dues. He don't change football, don't pay in dues. And he's still changing the game.
Even Amunike whenever reach anywhere, they work with FIFA.
But compared to the position where Arsene Wenger did for FIFA, Amunike never reach.
One-on-one.
I'm not arguing. You have to go argue. You have annoyed me.
Italian people don't go World Cup. Sexy Joe for the second time.
So sad.
2018 they no go.
At all. Russia.
2022 they no go there for Qatar.
Qatar, yeah.
Who will go blame for this matter?
I not go blame. I go say na so it take happen. It happen. What of course now they will qualify for the first time in 36 years.
So don't that waste time for the same place, the same time or the same place.
Not be the same players and the same coach then carry go win Euros. It happen.
No, I mean say 2018 they no qualify. They no learn lesson, and if they learn lesson, now when they no can qualify, who we go push the blame for? Because you look the squad like you mentioned. This same squad some months ago
win the Euros.
Then win the Euros.
Yeah.
So what you go say be the problem with Italian football?
I feel say Italy no take their chances when they're supposed to take their chances, especially during the group stages. They miss so many chances, they miss penalties. Even Jorginho, they blame himself, say, if only I had converted. There are some games they're supposed to win where Italy, either they draw or they lose. And now the whole thing come bounce back. That's why they find themselves for that position of to go play playoff.
So now everybody you they blame.
Well, I don't even know who I want blame.
You know,
because they were down and almost out before this man came.
because Pochettino no did
before Roberto. before Roberto Mancini came, we see how Italy take day.
Yeah.
They no qualify for the 2018 World Cup.
True.
We see how everything take day. This man come. He put in input. Although lots of people they talk, say, in they play Pep Guardiola style. Say, make you no play Pep Guardiola style. Instead, make you go with your hand club style of game. But it no matter. It they happen for football. It they so unfortunate, say their own can be back to back. But then they still need to make changes to their team.
Okay.
You get some players will be say, and funny enough, for this game against Macedonia, they bring back so many players.
Yeah.
Then bring back this man where then they call Ciro Immobile for this North Macedonia game. Then bring back Nkano Napoli Kafia, Insigne. No. For this particular game, because then be dropped, then bring some other guys.
Yeah.
Then they can't drop those some other guys. Can't bring them for this particular last game where they play against North Macedonia. Verratti, follow.
So,
Jorginho, follow.
in a way now you're talking about the players.
I go say na the players.
The players.
Maybe they don't play to instructions.
Okay.
Or maybe
They no step up their game.
exactly. They don't look and say North Macedonia. Now, and funny enough, for group stage, why they don't qualify for the last World Cup, the 2018 World Cup, then draw with North Macedonia. That one still not teach them sense. No, they try remember Kemboche. They no still learn lesson. They draw 1-1 with North Macedonia. That one supposed to tell them when they meet them again, say, these people no be pushovers. They fit be minnows, but they no be pushovers.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh,
Yes, my people, now here we will put full stop on top of the matter for Euroball Yarns for today. RNG based on say yes, we don't give now everything when I need to know. Remember, yes, football, club football will return this weekend after international break, and hopefully we will enjoy plenty from the club sides them, and also Champions League will return next week. We'll still there to still give now every as it concerns the Champions League quarterfinals, and also everything will go happen this weekend for inside all the leagues will go come back after the international break. Remember, I say this now Euroball Yarns on top Football Republic. If you subscribe to our channel on top YouTube, like I talk, the channel now Football Republic NG, Republic with a K, and also the notification button. Try click them so that every of our videos we say we upload, you're going to get that notification. Say yes, it don't day on top YouTube, and if you go watch. Till I tell you again next time, and I do well. I say, remember, you one and only Timmy, the pigeon commentator of the Federal Republic, signing out. And bye bye, my people.